Hello everyone! Today you're going to learn about the present perfect tense. What's that? Well, when you say, I have done that, that's present perfect. Look, I do that is present simple. I did that is past simple. I have done that, present perfect. Now, a lot of textbooks tell you present perfect means from the past till now. But actually it has more meanings than just that one. And we use these different meanings a lot. So the simplest, clearest way to think of present perfect tense is to realize it has 3 separate meanings. And to communicate properly, you need to know all 3 meanings. But just quickly, I'd like to ask you guys, if you find my content useful, please like me, subscribe to me, and watch my other videos. If you can share them, that would be amazing. Okay, the first meaning is experiences. For example, I have climbed the Eiffel Tower. Now we can't just start with I climbed the Eiffel Tower. Instead, we use present perfect because we are talking about an experience. Look at this. We use past simple to be specific about time or place or any other details. I climbed the Eiffel Tower yesterday. I climbed it very slowly. I climbed it with my friends. But we use present perfect when we don't care about the time, the place, or details. We just care about the experience. Look at these example sentences. I ask, have you ever been to Brazil? Because I want to know about your experience. I just want to know if you have had the experience of being in Brazil. And I say I have never swum with sharks to tell you that I do not have the experience of swimming with sharks at any time. Easy. And one hot tip. If you hear ever or never with present perfect, you can be sure that the question or sentence is using present perfect to talk about an experience.
You ever tried shawarma?
I'd never tried it.
So when you start talking about an experience, use this pattern. But when you start talking about when or where or what you did, switch to past simple instead. Look at this example. Have you ever eaten an insect? Yes, I have. Really? What kind of insect did you eat? A witchetty grub. It's an Australian insect. It looks like this. Next, the second situation where you should use present perfect is for stressing the recent past. Like when a child says, I have brushed my teeth. Here, the child is not talking about an experience. Can you imagine? I have brushed my teeth once. That is not the meaning. The meaning is, I have brushed my teeth just recently. The difference is that present perfect here emphasizes the recent past. It's clearer that you mean you brushed your teeth just before now. But many of my students ask me, do I have to use present perfect to talk about the recent past? Can I not just use past simple? And the answer is, it is not wrong to use past simple. Go ahead. Just remember that the present perfect makes it clearer that you have done something just before now. Look at these example sentences. I say I've just cleaned my room because I did it just before now. I finished the task just recently and now I have a clean room. I say, have you checked your emails yet? Because I want to know if you checked your recent emails. I'm not asking about last week's emails, I'm asking about the recent past. But the thing is, the present perfect's meaning is not the same all the time. You already learned that present perfect can mean experiences, and now you're learning that it can also mean the recent past. So when you use it for experiences, as I told you, you can use ever and never. And when you use it for the recent past, people tend to use already, yet, and just. If you can hear these words, the sentence is about the recent past. Now, you should also know that it is mainly British English that uses present perfect to talk about the recent past. In American English, they're more relaxed, and sometimes they even use past simple with yet, just, and already. Look.
Michael, did you finish yet?
This close.
Next, from the past until now. Use present perfect for states that last from the past until now. For example, look at this shirt. I have had this shirt for 5 years. That's right, have had. It sounds weird, but it is correct. Now let me explain. And it might be easy if I explain the difference between I had this shirt for 5 years and I have had this shirt for 5 years. Sounds almost the same, right? But the meaning is different. If I use past simple, I had the shirt from here to here. I don't have it anymore. But if I use present perfect, I have had the shirt from here to here. I still have the shirt now. I'm talking about my state of having a shirt from 5 years ago until now. But you should know this. Don't use present perfect for actions. Actions mean run, talk, swim, cook, play video games. For actions, you need a different tense. You need present perfect continuous for that. For example, I have been cooking for 1 hour. I have been studying for 10 years. So make sure only use the simple present perfect for states. Take a look at these example sentences. I say, I've been in Hawaii since 2008 because from 2008 until now, my state is being in Hawaii. I say, how long have you known Tom? Because I want to ask you about the state of your friendship with Tom. I want to know how long your friendship is. As you can see, the signals we use to show that our present perfect sentences are talking about the past until now are for, since, and how long. Now, one common mistake. Can you tell the difference between have gone and have been? A lot of students make mistakes with this. If I say my friend has gone to Iraq, this means my friend has gone to Iraq and she is still there now. If I say my friend has been to Iraq, she's not there anymore. She just had the experience of visiting Iraq. So make sure you always use have gone when you talk about the past until now, and use have been for experiences. Be sure to understand the meaning is totally different, so be careful to use the right one in the right situation. Okay, that's all for today. As always, thank you very much for watching this through to the end. I hope it was useful. I post every Saturday night, so I hope you watch out for my videos then. Have a great day.